All right, everybody. I'm gonna just do a quick walk around. I got two trucks right here, getting split windows. Man, sorry about how bright it is. I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna run through everything real quick. I'm gonna show you the window frame that's going in this one, before we put it in. So yeah, so we'll just try to get through this. I'm gonna try to stay out of these guys' way. They're right in the middle of, they're just finishing this and they're getting ready to set the window here in just a minute. So let me flip this camera around. All right, we'll just walk over here on this one. Let's go look at the frame real quick over here. So the frames come up, we manufacture all the frames across the street. And so this just came up from the paint shop. And so, yeah, it's all put together. Brackets are all on. Get you a little look on how it looks. So the window is epoxied on here. And then this frame is epoxied to the frame of the truck with the same adhesive that the window was held in with. So that's how our brackets work right there. The middle of this is all steel reinforced all the way down. There's a big cross piece in top and bottom. And then this is all smooth, right? So you got brackets there. So this is a two-piece. These are two pieces put together. This is all welded together. So that's why you can't see the back side of the huck rivet on there, right? So these are hucked into the frame, into the steel, into the composite. And that's how we keep everything together. So our visor is 100% on this frame. And then this frame is glued into the truck, like he's doing right now. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now. We're getting ready to seal it and put it in. All right. With, oh, check it out. This one's getting a stainless visor. Both these trucks, I believe they're the same company, or they're going to the same part of the country, so I don't know exactly what it is, but they both got stainless. So we huck and put all these on, these little stainless steel fasteners. All the aluminum panels have been acid prepped for the aluminum and then painted with emerald. Everything is OE. All of our paint. We have a paint bank. I'll take you down there on another tour. So yeah, there's that one over there. Man, that looks so good. Chops are on already. It doesn't look like this one has the chops on yet. They protect the door until the last minute. But yeah, we just pull the front windshield out, and then I think they put that on in case any adhesive rolls over. They don't have to worry about getting on anything. And they've already put the brackets in right here for the drop-down visor, or upper console, I guess it would be. And then that's the cigarette lighter, or someone told me those are vape chargers, whatever. Yeah, so that's the visor nuts that we relocate those. And then that's how it's glued on. So it's about 3/4 of an inch. We'll put the new adhesive on, and that frame will just come right up here and glue on. And then they have special little brackets on here that help hold it in place. Like you saw before, the windows are already in it. So, all right. Yeah, man. I hope I answered some questions there. Feel free to jump in the comments, and I'll see if I can't clean things up if I need to. All right, thanks for watching my video.